unsupervised purchase here. Gonna get started with my new RYOBI Brushless router, and this isn't brushless. Unsupervised brushless purchase here. Had to get the right one. I don't know what was wrong with me that day. Oh, so much better already. Look at the stuff this comes with. The instructions, need all of them. This thing is a beast. God, this is just, you can feel the quality difference between this and the regular version that I accidentally bought. Comes with a lot more equipment, you know, the wrench to actually take apart the bits. Easy depth adjustment. Edge guide goes in really easily here, and yeah, I can't even begin to tell you how much of a game changer this is compared to the non-brushless version. You can see how smooth it goes. Let's get some router bits in there and give it a try. Now, full disclosure, so I had planned to put in my T-track that you see in this video with the original one when I first bought it. For whatever reason, did not have this available for the longest time. By the way, fire, the wheel, and T-track. Don't know how I went so long without it. Highly recommend. Adjust the speed as necessary, and my God, this thing cuts so smooth. I'm being totally honest. I was rushing. By all means, I should have been all over the place on this board. But this thing held so good with that edge guard that I couldn't believe it. I'd seen it in other videos. This is the first time I'm using it, and wow. There's my T-track. Highly recommend, by the way. Link is in the description. Yeah, I didn't go the full depth on there, but you get the idea. I'm not going to lie. I accidentally bought the non-brushless one, and I did not slow that footage down. This thing was, you know, I hate to say it, but horrible. I had to use my Bosch to cut the T-track that you see in this video, which obviously did great, but the thing is a beast, you know. I wanted more of a handheld thing going on. So I definitely recommend the brushless RYOBI router. Every time a tool is a treat, it earns its cleat. Yeah, I was trying something new. Don't give me that RYOBI eye roll. The brushless version is solid.